Yeah, you're going to get in big trouble if you keep doing that.
Why?
Well, because it's a fruit fly. Hey guys, how are we doing? See? Oh, hello. You guys are going to be in such trouble if you keep eating them.
Them or babies? That one is a baby.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think they're babies?
No,
But
that
you
one,
see how
that one is a baby.
You see how they like people?
Look, that one is a
I
baby.
know, they're small, aren't they?
That one is a baby.
Okay, let's go see.
And say,
Listen.
Listen.
Listen. Let's go see a big long one.
Well, I think those are 4. I think those are the ones you have. Look at them talking. Look at them. Look at, they like you, Reese. Look. They like people. So they're going to want you. Listen.
I'm petting them.
I know, but listen to them. Aren't they lovely?
yeah,
See how
Stevie
they
Wonder
like
and the
to be
String
patted?
Quartet.
So that's your new job, is to pat the goats when you get home every day so that they know that you love them and that you will look after them. Aren't they lovely?
You have new friends.
know.
Look at this. You're pretty lucky.
I'm getting this.
Yep, do them all. And look, everyone's a different color. Got a black one. We have, this one has brown and black. That's a brown one. And that's an almost all white and gray one.